Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Doogee X97 Pro. So the first one, Opera. In this web browser just click here on the tab icon, switch to the private and click on the red plus. That's it. Now the Firefox. If you see this welcome screen, just click here and that's it. If you have any tab open, click here on the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. The next one, Microsoft Edge. Choose the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click here on the three dot icon or arrow icon and choose new Incognito tab. And now in this mode your history, completed forms, cookies files, even the words from the keyboard, etc. will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.